What's up, guys? North Florida Fishing here. Gonna show you what I picked up at Dick's Sporting Goods today. They had a little sale going on, so let me see if I can flip this camera real quick. Okay. So we got from Live Target, we got bait balls, spinner rig, flash variation, interchange targets. Of course, I got this in a half. And it doesn't say what color it is. Yeah, it does. Purple pearl. So I got that one. I also got a 3/8. And the Crystal River Shed. So there's two. Another 1/2 ounce. That one is Blue Shed. Another 1/2 ounce. That one is Green Pumpkin. And this one is a 3/8. And it's chartreuse. And then I also picked up some watermelon slice, trick worms. I also picked up watermelon violet, trick worms. Then I got some Old Monster watermelon seed. Then we got some sprayed grass and the trick worms. Well, I think this is it, guys. We got a speed worm, black red glitter. Yep, that's it. That's all we got. Let me set you down so I can open one of these up real quick. That is what it looks like. So, if any of y'all have ever used any of these, let me know how you like them. I plan on trying them out here shortly. Next time I get to go out. Been filling orders a lot. So I really don't have time to go out and fish right now. Alright guys, so that's it. Hope you liked the video. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And of course, like I said, we wouldn't be here without y'all guys anyway, so catch y'all on the next one. All right, later guys. Peace.